Now the outer planets, those are the gas giants. Beyond the rocky inner planets, there are 4 gas giants. They are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These huge planets are made of big clouds of gas and liquid. Gravity pulls the gas and liquid into a planet shape. All gas giants have rings. The rings are mostly made of ice and dust. Out of these, Uranus and Neptune, they are also called the ice giants because they are mostly made of liquid ice. Jupiter is our largest planet. Earth could fit into Jupiter over 1300 times. Jupiter has more than twice as much mass than all the other planets combined. Jupiter is made up almost entirely of gas. Jupiter has this giant red spot, which is just one of Jupiter's hurricanes. It is a great storm that has raged for at least 400 years and it's still continuing on Jupiter. Jupiter has a thin set of rings, hardly visible from Earth. Jupiter has the strongest pull of gravity in the solar system. Saturn, the rings of beauty. Saturn is the second largest planet. The many moons of Saturn are as different as fire and ice. There are many moons around Saturn and it is also a gas giant. For hundreds of years, people have admired the beautiful rings of Saturn. Astronomers report the rings are made of bits of ice, rock and dust. Over the years, they have found more than 60 moons in Saturn's orbit. Uranus. Uranus is the only planet in our solar system to rotate on its side. If we were able to see Uranus's moons orbiting the planet, they would go over and under the planet like lights on a Ferris wheel. Uranus's pale blue color is caused by the methane gas in its atmosphere, which filters out the red light. Neptune. Even with a telescope, this distant world appears small and faint. The methane gas in Neptune's atmosphere also makes it look blue. Neptune is thought to have a rocky core. Icy water, ammonia and methane surround the core. Since its discovery in 1846, Neptune has not yet completed a full orbit. It takes almost 165 years for the planet to go around the Sun. Neptune has the strongest winds in the solar system and a dark spot similar to Jupiter's great red spot. Let's look at some more interesting facts from this young reader who has figured out really some nice facts about planets. Let's see them.
Hi, my name is Shlok and I'm here to tell you some cool facts about planets.
Go.
Fact number 1. Why is Jupiter the biggest planet? Jupiter is the biggest planet because after the Sun's formation, Jupiter sucked up most of the leftover debris, making it the biggest planet. Fact number 2. Is it true that in Uranus, it rains diamonds? Researchers have found that Uranus's crushing atmosphere compresses an explosive gas called methane into precious stones. And in the depths of Uranus, clouds may rain diamonds. Number 3. Why does Saturn have its rings? Saturn has a moon called Phobos that orbits the planet in a different direction than all the other moons and gives off a dust that creates a dark ring around the planet. Okay, fact number 4. Is it true that aliens exist? Researchers have found exoplanets that contain water, which means that it's giving the nutrition for life to exist. So life can exist there. Bye, thank you.
Thank you, dear Shlok. Those were wonderful facts. And yes, I hope you liked this video and you learned a lot from them as we did. So don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Share the link with your friends so that everyone learns. See you again into more videos of Dive into Pooja's books. Bye bye till then. Thank you for watching.